Shoot, Blake's stunting on the TRX.
Damn, it's kind of, I don't have the weight.
Is it in first gear or second? You're holding the back brake.
No, I wasn't. I just
Oh, you just grabbed.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, dude. It looked like it was ready to go. Oh, yep. Oh, ditch the bike. Damn, dude. What, like an armadillo? Wow. Damn. I can do that. Yeah, I can.
Let's watch him bust his ass.
Bro,
That way, and then I'll go up that one too,
Bro, I want to see you go down this one on the wheelie without getting it in your ass.
Go up it and down it.
Did you just put it in second gear? Oh, cool. Wait, you're recording? Don't record.
Hold on, it's bogging a little bit.
As soon as he gets to the other sides of the real.
Hold on, I'm digging in, bro. I gotta start over.
Too much power.
You not see?
Way too much power.
Yeah, you didn't see.
I seen that you did a little peely there. That's probably scary. Now just commit, pin it down.
You wanted me to. Bro, you already tore up the track to where I can't go straight now.
He almost fell smooth off this.
See? Look.
Pretty good. Got to the top.
Is that what we were doing?
Is that what we're doing? Because that was easy. All you gotta do is roll it backwards and hit the brake real hard, the back one.
Alright. Like this?
Yeah. Yeah. This is his big chance. 9 tries.
What?
I killed it in one.
Was one.
Give her one more shot. See what you see if you can do
actually
it.
try this time?
Yeah,
Okay.
they do. They do. I don't want you to embarrass me, but
Alright, I'll actually try.
they wouldn't mind if you embarrassed yourself, though.
Okay. Well, if they want to see me do it, for real. Try one more time.
Stay way low.
That one? All the way down. It was all the way down, dude.
It wasn't even a coaster.
Controlled. No. It's not even worth it.
low battery. Oh. Dude, wow. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah. That's what I was gonna do, but you got on it.
And you know I bought this quad yesterday. I just get so much practice on the night.
Well, I didn't even get to practice on it. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Dude, what is your problem, bro? God damn, dude.
Been working on the jump a little. Got her broken nice. Good little lip. Now that'll get Blake some send over to there.
I think she's got some good lift to her.
Let's see. Go soft at
I'll go
first.
soft.
Don't want to overshoot her. Oh yeah. Let's see that whip. You see me throw that whip down?
Huh?
Let's see that whip. You see me whip it earlier?
Alright, I'll do it.
I whipped that bitch hard as hell and the tires are still on the ground.
I got something for you.
Got something for you. Old New Holland out here putting in the work, boys. No footer.
I was trying to do a ninja kick.
I told him the landing was all tank.
Yeah.
There's like nothing but butthole on that landing.
Whoa! Now, guys, mind you, this is about 20 foot tall. Dang. Pin her in 5th gear. I'm landing over there. Probably over there.
Oh, you're still warming up?
Huh?
You're still just warming up or what?
Oh, do you want me to send her?
I thought that. Oh yeah, I thought you were going through that. For a
I can
second.
send her home.
Let's see the trick. Dude, jump. The mullet ride.
Alright, dude.
almost knocked your teeth out, bro.
No, I didn't. No, I almost steered.
With your face.
You sailed it.
Damn. Damn, you riding the TRX90 XX?
Yep. Yep. Yeah, upgraded to one of these bad boys from the CR250R.
Hell yeah. 90X to 800 to 900.
I use
P90X.
at home in a Bowflex.
Nice. And a Bowflex. I need both.
The first gen.
First gen. Yeah, the old one. The cables are rusty as fuck.
Oh! You're supposed to land it and standing on the seat. Yeah. Oh!
TRX90's a good earner.
I'm thinking I could go up, like you were talking about, like wheelie, and then like land like this.
Step on the fender, bust it smooth off.
Both of them.
Both.
Snap both of them. Like, all right. Dude's on his way for the quad, bro.
Yeah, I thought I heard my mom. Anything but that.
That was like a half BBR.
Oh, got you.
I'm a sailor.
All right.
I'm a sailor.
Next county. I'm in the next county now.
I didn't want to go that. I wasn't trying to sail it that far necessarily, but
It worked
I
out.
counted that count. That's the last leg I wanted. Fucking A-arm just fall off, but okay.
Hell yeah, she's
You're like, I
sent.
told you I was selling her today.
Yeah, to you. Yeah, you own her, buddy. Old Dirt Tires David. Got the daggone Moskins on, boy. Is it too tall for you now?
Yeah, it's too tall.
Cool. I'm gonna grab some stuff out of the house. I'll be right there. You see that ZB he just dropped off? Oh my god, dude. I don't want David to see it all shitty. Yeah. Fix it. It goes like this or something. This goes here. Ain't nobody ever knew. It's a bit of a project. Bit of a project. Hey, David. Check this out, dude. Heck yeah. It looks ballin'.